complex, and the blueprint seems hazy. The factory pattern steps in, making things less crazy, creating instances with just a simple call. Factories build our objects, big and small. We're singing factories, assembling with care. In the realm of design, they're always there, generating objects with a method so neat. In the dance of creation, they can't be beat. From prototypes to singles, they manage it all, making sure our objects stand tall. Encapsulating logic, avoiding tangled code. Factories guide the way down the software road. When the classes multiply and complexity grows, factories streamline, ensuring it flows. Encapsulating logic in a unified place, they give our code base elegance and grace. We're singing factories, assembling with care. In the realm of design, they're always there, generating objects with a method so neat. In the dance of creation, they can't be beat. When constructors get tricky and dependencies stack, factories step in and take up the slack. With polymorphic prowess, they shape and define. Factories are the artisans of the object's design. We're singing factories, assembling with care. In the realm of design, they're always there, generating objects with a method so neat. In the dance of creation, they can't be beat. So here's to the factories in every line of code. They simplify creation, lighten the load. In every class and method, in every crafted stream, factories are the heroes of our coding